On today's menu, a recipe so easy it'll be fit for any noodle head. Easy mushroom udon.
Lay home everyone, I'm Will Young. If you really like noodle recipes, be sure to check out the first ever vegan ramen cookbook in the link above or in the link in the description box below. Now if you're always on the go or you're just looking for a really quick, easy dinner to make, this noodle recipe is for you.
Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Thinly slice a small piece of daikon. 1 small carrot, roughly chopped. 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 2 tablespoons minced garlic. Boil the udon noodles as per package instructions. Stir the noodles occasionally. Half the bok choy.
I just got this incredible dried mushroom mix. Now a little bit goes a long way, so about half a cup worth per person.
Strain the noodles through a sieve. Heat up another pot on medium-high. Couple tablespoons sesame oil. Garlic and ginger. Finally chop the white part from the green onion. Saute for about a minute. Carrots and daikon. Half cup dried mushrooms. 2.5 cups water. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, add the bok choy and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Cover and cook for the remaining time. Noodles. Soup. Fresh green onions. White sesame seeds. Nori. You can now make this easy mushroom udon with absolute confidence.
Sometimes simple is best, and it really doesn't take much. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.